Hello aspirants, I'm Aman and I've worked at Oracle for 24 months and I'm here with few tips and tricks to help you ace your personal interview round and grab a seat at your dream IIM. First of all, you need to have a clear understanding of what you do or did at your company. Write down what you have done and highlight key points about your roles and responsibilities in the organization. Also take a note of your achievements in case if you have any, which can eventually help you answer the follow-up questions if asked. Make sure you are aware of the whereabouts of the company. It is also key to know about the financial aspects of your company, such as its market capitalization, valuation, whether it's a listed company or not. While at the same time, you should be aware about the structure of the organization, the chain of the command, and the important personalities associated with your companies. You should also memorize all the important details about your prior organization. You can possibly jot it down into three different aspects. First, the current role or your current role at the company. Second, your success matrices. Third, the achievements. Coming to the next important thing to note, always try to create a pattern or link with your work experience with MBA so as to show the interviewer as how an MBA at this point will help you progress in your career. It's okay if you are not sure about the domain that you are going to choose in MBA. However, try to gain as much knowledge as possible regarding various different domains and relate your preferences with your work ex. Have a short-term and long-term goal ready. If you are confused about these, try to figure out goals which could signal to the interviewer that you are well prepared and have a clear understanding on how a degree will help you in a career path. Make a note of your strengths and try to exemplify them through your projects and achievements during your work experience. Also, make a note of your significant weaknesses and try to have a plan on how you can overcome the same. You could also mention incidents where your weaknesses caused a problem in your outputs, but you were able to overcome that in a situation where you were able to mend your mistakes. Lastly, mention your hobbies. It shows another aspect of your personality and get an overall idea about the different things you like to do outside your work so that you can talk about incoherently in the interview. Good luck for your interview, ace the final mile and land a seat in your institute. Thank you.
Hello aspirants, congratulations for being shortlisted for the PI procedures. I am Sharma, student of IIM Raipur, PGP batch 21-23. I have a work experience of 54 months at HCL Technologies and I am here to share some insights about how to crack the PI procedures for the WorkX people. Now, the objective behind asking questions related to your work experience is to check how seriously you have taken your work so far and to check your sincerity towards your work and your organization. It will also help interviewer to check how well you understand the work culture of corporates. Additionally, it will set a benchmark in how you will perform in the institute and your organization after graduation. Now let us look at few questions that can be asked in CAP PI rounds. Question number 1. Tell us something about your previous company. Now you should have a unique answer to these questions and not just some facts and figures about the company that one could easily search up on the internet. You can mention your personal views, opinions about the company based on your own experiences. Question number 2. Tell us something about your role at your previous company. Now talk about the different projects you have worked on, the various roles you have adopted on the organization, and how your work has benefited different sets of the people, such as your clients, your customers, etc. For example, suppose you have worked as a systems engineer in an IT company on a big data project, your answer should reflect your contribution to the projects you worked on and how it helped the client in various situations. This would reflect your problem solving abilities. Make sure you nail these questions because it can be an icebreaker and at the same time a maker or breaker. Question number 3. Why did you decide to pursue MBA and not establish yourself in the same organization or industry? In other words, why do you want to leave your job? Indirectly, this question is about the vision and mission of your life. So try to first decide on what is the vision and mission of your life professionally. Once that is done, relate how vision and mission of the company is different from that of yours and how pursuing an MBA can help you achieve that. Do not talk badly about your previous company. Never ever do that mistake. Mention your individual goals. Connect your experiences with the domains you want to go into. This would reflect your ability to make decisions and how to justify them. Question number 4. What are the key learnings you have got from your experiences in corporates? Now, these takeaways are nothing but the lessons that you have learned as an employee. For example, If you have worked in an IT company, you might have learned about the importance of data and how technology is enlightening the future. If you have worked in a sales profile, you know the importance of understanding the needs of your customers and dynamically modifying your sales pitch in accordance with that. Try to elaborate those points and express your interest in learning new things. This would reflect your eagerness to learn. So these are some of the common questions you can be asked if you have prior work experiences. I would urge you to please look into the PI kit provided by the IIM Raipur for more insights on how to prepare for the interviews. Remember to be confident in what you are speaking about, having clarity in your thought process and believe in yourself. This could be the first step in you landing your dream institute. So good luck for the interviews, stay safe and put your best foot forward.